Basima. I'm sorry I seem like a shady dude. When times are hard for your family, paying your lady dues. You come so far, having a happy family is daily news. Man, I miss you playing with me, chasing me around in your baby shoes.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bossy, and today I'm here to do a what I eat in a day on keto video. So this video I'm gonna show y'all some stuff that I was sent, but let me just show you guys what Perfect Keto sent me. So they sent me, this is the nut butter, and I guess it's macadamia cashew coconut butter with MCT oil. I don't know what you use this on. Oh, I guess you put it on top of something, so you could put it on snacks and desserts. Then they sent me some Perfect Keto peach base peach, and sorry if it's not focused, but this goes in, what is this? Oh, it's like a tea. Next we have a keto vanilla MCT oil powder. This can actually go in protein drinks, and it's only for this. This is only 2 net carbs. Oh, that's not bad. 2 net carbs for a scoop. And it's vanilla flavored MCT oil powder. Honestly, I don't know if I'll be using this because this mainly goes in people's coffee, or tea, which I don't do either, or even a protein shake or a smoothie. Maybe I could try putting this in a smoothie, because that's the only way I'll end up having this. And then what I'm gonna try today for breakfast is going to be a keto salted caramel keto bar. I hope this is good. It's just a whole box full, so I'm gonna have one of these with a Too Good blueberry yogurt with some vanilla almond solar granola inside of here, and that's gonna be my little small breakfast. Okay, y'all, so I know what the yogurt tastes like, so I'm gonna just go ahead and taste this keto bar. It's 11 grams of protein, and it is only 2 net carbs for the entire bar. Oh, let's see what it looks like. That's my daughter. No, you're fine. Okay. The smell and the look of it looks like a Fig Newton. I don't know if y'all know what Fig Newtons are. Hold on, it's not focused. It looks like a Fig Newton, a large one. It's like a bar with fruit in it, and that's what this smells like and looks like. But I don't know, y'all. I'm already feeling a certain kind of way, and I haven't even put it in my mouth. My stomach is, oh, I'm feeling funny. I'm gonna break it. I can't bite into it. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna see. It might be good, but I have a feeling I know how this is finna taste. Oh shoot. I don't wanna gag. Hey, Evian, can you give me a napkin, please?
Of course, beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh.
It's a no for me. It is a no for me. You might like this, but this is a big no for me. Perfect Keto, I appreciate you sending this to me, but this I'm not a fan of. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Y'all, I'm about to eat this yogurt. So, I think I'm just gonna eat my yogurt. And I'll see y'all when we make these fire scrumptious keto brownies. And And then we'll see you even later for dinner. Okay, you guys, so I'm using the high key brownie mix that I got from Amazon. And I'm going to be adding some of this Walden Farms caramel syrup that I got from Amazon as well. And I'm going to be using some butter. I normally use Kerrygold butter, but I didn't have any. And then I'm going to use some eggs. Now, that mix shows everything you need on the back. So, yeah, you'll need an 8x8 baking tin. And then next, I'm showing you guys everything I'm using to do my burgers. I told you I'm having a burger, so I'm using these Sola buns that I got from Amazon, or you can get it from the Sola website. 6 net carbs for 1 bun for my cheeseburger, so I can't wait. And then also I'm going to be using just some sliced deli cheese, 0 carb. This is just some Kobe Jack, and I just got it from Hy-Vee. And now these burgers, they are so delicious. I've had them before. I actually got these from Walmart, and there's the name there because I can't say it. But they are so good, so juicy. Love them. They have about 390 calories for one, and I believe there are 3 net carbs for 1 patty as well because of the onions and everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start making my brownies, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make my burger. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video. So I'm just taking a nice size bowl, and I'm gonna pour the entire packet of the brownie mix. And then I can't remember how much butter I added, but it tells you on the back of the package. I do know I added 2 eggs. And then you're just gonna go ahead and mix it nicely, and it already has like chocolate chips inside of the mix, which is it's super chocolatey. And then I'm gonna do something a little different, and I'm just gonna add 1/4 cup of some walnuts because I like walnuts or pecans or something like that in any type of like brownie cookie thing I eat. So this wasn't required, but I decided to do that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it up, and then put it in my my nicely sprayed with non-stick spray baking dish, and we're gonna be done. This is good as we getting. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this in the oven, and it says to bake for 25 minutes at 350. So here's my burger, and I have some Quest chips, and then I have a different flavor by this one is the Kahlua watermelon, if I said that right. So I'm about to take a bite of my bagel, and I know it's good. The only difference is I've never had the Whataburger jalapeno ranch on it, and it's only 2 net carbs for 2 tablespoons of it. Everything else I've had this burger before with the buns and everything, but I'm gonna just take a nice bite and see how this sauce tastes. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to take a bite. I had to change the camera around. Here we go.
It says you right next to it. It says you are eating. What you want?
That sauce is really good. A little messy, but it's sure enough good. So I'm gonna finish eating this burger and these chips and my drink, and we're gonna still let those brownies cool. Okay, y'all, so here are the brownies. I cut them up. Y'all almost dropped the whole pan over, so it kind of broke up, so I had to cut it as best as I could. But one of the kids had one, they liked it. I took a bite, I'm full. It is pretty good and keto. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.